Okay, so you've made the traumatic decision to drop Oracle Calendar Server and the easy decision to move to the Exchange Cloud, or maybe it's the other way around. We're here to show you how you can move all your data from OCS, maintaining recurrence patterns, live meetings, everything you'd normally want to in making a transition like that. So here we see Jimi Hendrix's calendar from first week of January 2010. And that's what we're going to call our source system. And here's our target in our Live at EDU account. Notice there's no data here, and we've got an existing appointment just to show you what happens when we add data into an existing appointment. Here's the tool that we're going to use to insert it. We haven't shown you the data coming out of Oracle. That's relatively simple. Easy to do. We'll do that in another video if people want. This is also a much more general tool. It will not only insert into the cloud environment, but it will insert into a live exchange environment as well. So we've got provisions for Forest Trust, CAS server. This is where we put in our login credentials for Live at EDU. I'm going to skip that. Here's our EWS server. We're going to use impersonation to put the data in. Here's the database that we're using. We can, of course, log all this data, and keywords important. It's going to allow us to selectively remove data in the event we need to or for testing. Validate accounts, we don't need to do right now. I've already done that, but basically we try to front load all of the data in this in order to make sure that we've got everything taken care of ahead of time. So we're going to check all those users. I've just clicked process everything, so the system's now going through and adding data into all our user calendars. Let's, I think we've got 7 users in this particular system right now. You might hear things going on. That's as appointments are added and meeting invitations are sent out and automatically responded to. Again, we're using a small data set just so it goes pretty quickly here. And we're going to just go around and see what happens. Yep, meeting with Jimmy. Let's just dismiss all of these. Here we see that the data is being added. We're missing a little bit right now. We might have to refresh. No, it's all coming in. And there we go. All our data is now here. Let's just do a quick check. I won't minimize it, but it's looking all there. Notice also Jimmy proposes to Puffy and John. Let's bring that up. Let's bring up the series. And we see that we actually have guest lists here with responses. 2 attendees have accepted. Okay, so we've got that taken care of. All right. Now, what happens if we needed to remove all this data, but we wanted to keep everything that's in there? We have that capability. Undo. We're going to undo. It's going to go through and remove everything that we just inserted. And there it is. All right. You can find out more data on this at www.sumatra.com. Look forward to talking with you.